Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your Mac is up to date, because Mail settings move between releases. Once done, open Apple Mail and go to Mail settings. This is where account and viewing options live. You need account passwords and your two-factor device handy so reauthentication is fast and predictable. Follow along step by step now, and make sure to note which account you plan to change so you don't alter the wrong profile. You'll select the Accounts tab and pick the specific account to edit. Here you can change incoming/outgoing server details, ports, and authentication so messages send reliably. Next, change mailbox behaviors to control where drafts, sent, junk, and trash are stored. This prevents duplicates across devices. Then tweak viewing and organization. Enable threading or adjust preview lines, set VIPs, and customize swipe gestures to speed triage. These steps change how Mail behaves and syncs across your ecosystem. Save your changes and quit Mail, then relaunch so settings fully apply. Syncing may take a few minutes. You should immediately test sending and receiving, and then verify folders on another device or webmail to confirm consistency. If something goes wrong, try re-entering the password and toggling the account off and back on. This forces a fresh connection. Also check SMTP/IMAP ports and restart your router or Mac if connectivity seems flaky. That single troubleshooting step, re-authenticate then toggle, solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.